Hello friends, welcome to Unacademy GATE MEPIXE. This is Aprup Rao and you are watching Concepts in Minutes, and in today's video we are going to talk about a very important topic. It is called pressure angle. You might have heard this term in design of gears. You might have heard this term in theory of machines. You might have also heard this term in machine design. आपने pressure angle gear के chapter में पढ़ा होगा, एक तो थ्योरी ऑफ मशीन्स में भी और दूसरा मशीन डिजाइन में भी. बट डू यू रियली अंडरस्टैंड द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ प्रेशर एंगल? A lot of you might have remembered the definition, a lot of you might remember the values of pressure angle, but you understand the significance of pressure angle. What happened to the gear if I increase or decrease the pressure angle? So in today's video we are going to talk about what is pressure angle and what is the significance of pressure angle. If you are watching me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Aprup Rao, All India rank 320 in GATE Mechanical. I have done my MTech from IIT Kharagpur and my specialization was Mechanical Systems Design. In my final year of MTech, I was recruited by Mahindra and Mahindra. I worked at Mahindra Research Valley in the field of design of cars. I was part of some really interesting projects like KUV, TUV. Then after 2 years, I decided to quit my job and I started teaching. So I've been teaching for more than 6 years now. And I teach subjects related to design, SOM, MD, EM and TOM. Now let's talk about pressure angle. So I will explain the concept of pressure angle using a set of two spur gears. Now this is the pitch circles of the pressure two spur gears in contact with each other. If you want to understand what is pitch circle, you need to watch my lectures of machine design. तो pitch circle को मैं short में बता देता हूँ. Pitch circles are two imaginary circles which we use for analyzing the meshing of gears. Gears की meshing को, gears के बीच के forces को, gears की velocities को analyze करने के लिए हम gears को दो circles से represent करते हैं. And we assume that these circles are rolling without slipping on each other. So this is pitch circle. So these are pitch circles of two spur gears. Okay. Now this line represents the common tangent to these circles at the point of contact. जिस point पे ये दोनों contact में हैं, उस point पे what is this? This is the common tangent. Now when the spur gears rotate, one spur gear apply force on the other spur gear, and from Newton's third law, the other spur gear applies equal and opposite force of the first spur gear, right? अगर दो spur gear एक दूसरे को घुमा रहे हैं, दो स्पर गियर रोटेट कर रहे हैं, तो एक स्पर गियर दूसरे पे फोर्स लगा रहे हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट वांट्स टू रोटेट द अदर स्पर गियर. एंड न्यूटन्स थर्ड लॉ से द सेकंड स्पर गियर विल अप्लाई एन इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट फोर्स ऑन द फर्स्ट स्पर गियर. नाउ लेट्स से द लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ द फोर्स इज दिस. मान लो ये क्या है? दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ द फोर्स. सो दिस इज द फोर्स applied by first spur gear on second spur gear, and this is the force equal and opposite applied by second spur gear on first spur gear. So this angle which the line of action of the force makes with the common tangent is known as pressure angle. This alpha is pressure angle. तो pressure angle क्या है? Pressure angle is the angle that the line of action of the force makes with the common tangent at the point of contact. Point of contact पे जो common tangent है उसके साथ line of action जो angle बना रहा है, that is the pressure angle. The standard values of pressure angle is 14.5 degree and 20 degree. Now you might be thinking why 14.5 degree and 20 degree. So let me tell you, initially the designers used to have 14.5 degree pressure angle because sine of 14.5 is equals to almost 1/4. So it was convenient for calculations, okay, because that time people didn't used to have calculators or computers. So for easy calculation, this value was chosen. But after some years, when we had more sophisticated calculations, then we started using 20° and 25°. But nowadays 25° pressure angle is obsolete, so now we use 20° pressure angle or 14.5° in some cases. Now you might be thinking, why these values, why not 40° or 60° or 80°? So let me explain this. Pressure angle is a very important value and it has to be chosen very carefully. प्रेशर एंगल को बहुत केयरफुली चूज करना पड़ता है क्योंकि इसकी वैल्यू पे बहुत सारी चीजें डिपेंड करती है, ठीक है, जिसमें से सबसे बड़ी और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है पावर ट्रांसमिशन. ओके, हाउ पावर ट्रांसमिशन डिपेंड्स अपॉन प्रेशर एंगल, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. ओके, सो लेट्स से the first gear is the driving gear and second gear is the driven gear. ठीक है, मान लो ये फर्स्ट वाला ड्राइविंग गियर है और सेकंड वाला ड्रिवन गियर है. मतलब फर्स्ट वाला गियर सेकंड वाले गियर को घुमा रहा है बाय अप्लाइंग द फोर्स. ओके, सो दिस इज द सेकंड गियर. ओके, एंड दिस इज द फोर्स एक्टिंग at the point of contact. This is force F acting at the point of contact and it is making an angle of alpha with common tangent. Now if I resolve this force, I will get two components, right? I will get two components. Let me call this Ft and let me call this Fn. Out of these two components, Ft is known as the tangential force and Fn is known as the normal force. Now look at these two forces. Out of these two forces, which one do you think is applying the force on the gear in order to rotate the gear? इन दोनों में से कौन सा फोर्स इस गियर के ऊपर टॉर्क लगा रहा है इसको घुमाने के लिए? Obviously Fn cannot apply the torque because it is passing through the center, but Ft can apply an anti-clockwise torque. Okay, तो जो टॉर्क होता है जो इसको घुमाता है, द टॉर्क विच रोटेट्स द गियर इज गिवन बाय Ft multiplied by radius of pitch circle. Okay, and power obviously will depend upon this value. If this value is more, power will be more. P equals to 2 pi nt by 60. So if Ft is more, T will be more, power will be more, right? So we need to increase the value of Ft. Now Ft will be equals to F cos alpha. ठीक है? Now understand how the value of alpha will change the value of Ft. Okay, so if alpha is 0°, what will be cos alpha? Alpha अगर 0 हुआ, if alpha is equal to 0, तो बेटा cos alpha कितना होगा? Cos alpha will be equals to 1, right? Alpha equals to 0, cos alpha will be equals to 1, right? And if alpha is equals to 90°, cos alpha will be equals to 0. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? As alpha decreases, cos alpha increases, यानी कि Ft इंक्रीजेस. हाँ कि ना? जैसे जैसे अल्फा कम होगा cos अल्फा बढ़ेगा यानी Ft बढ़ेगा, और जैसे जैसे Ft बढ़ेगा पावर ट्रांसफर भी बढ़ेगा, राइट? Ft increases, torque increases, torque increases, power transfer increases, right? So you always want to keep alpha as low as possible, right? आप अल्फा की वैल्यू हमेशा कम से कम रखना चाहेंगे क्योंकि अल्फा जितना कम रहेगा कॉस अल्फा उतना ज्यादा रहेगा, यानी कि Ft उतना ज्यादा रहेगा, और Ft जितना ज्यादा रहेगा पावर ट्रांसफर उतना ज्यादा रहेगा. Fn से पावर ट्रांसफर नहीं हो रहा है, Fn बढ़ा के फायदा नहीं है, ठीक है, Ft बढ़ाना है, तो अल्फा कम से कम होना चाहिए. So that's why we need to keep a low value of alpha. But you might be thinking, if I can keep a low value of alpha, why not put alpha equals to 0? Right? Alpha को 0 ही रख देते हैं. तो बेटा understand this. If alpha decreases, power transfer increases, but as alpha decreases, power transfer increases, but as alpha decreases, टूथ थिकनेस, टूथ की जो थिकनेस है वो कम हो जाती है, और टूथ थिकनेस अगर कम होगी तो स्ट्रेंथ, बीम स्ट्रेंथ, यानी कि जितना लोड ये टूथ उठा सकता है, दैट विल ऑल्सो डिक्रीज, राइट? जितना, ये देखो, लुक एट दिस टीथ एंड लुक एट दिस टीथ. इसमें से स्ट्रॉन्गर कौन सा लग रहा है बेटा? दिस वन इज स्ट्रॉन्गर बिकॉज टूथ थिकनेस इज मोर, एंड इफ टूथ थिकनेस इज मोर मींस अल्फा इज मोर. तो आपको अगर टूथ थिकनेस ज्यादा चाहिए तो अल्फा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो दैट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन अल्फा एंड टूथ थिकनेस. सो इफ टूथ थिकनेस, sorry, if alpha decreases, tooth thickness decreases, means the beam will not be strong, sorry, the gear will not be stronger, it will become weaker. So that's why we can't keep alpha very low. आप अल्फा को बहुत कम करोगे तो टूथ जो है वो वीक होता जाएगा, और जैसे जैसे टूथ वीक होता जाएगा वैसे वैसे इसकी स्ट्रेंथ कम होती जाएगी, ये ज्यादा लोड बेयर नहीं कर पाएगा और ये टूट जाएगा. So that's why alpha should be as low as possible, but it cannot be lesser than a particular value. So that's why we need to choose an optimum value of alpha. So initially 14.5 degree we used to have because of the calculations. ठीक है, calculations easy होते थे क्योंकि sin 14.5 अगर आप calculate करें is almost equal to 0.25. You can do it in calculator, means 1/4. okay, तो sin 14.5 1/4. तो उसको कैलकुलेशन को आसान रखने के लिए हम ये यूज करते थे, लेकिन ओवर द पीरियड जब कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए वी हैड कैलकुलेटर्स एंड ऑल, देन वी स्टार्टेड यूजिंग द वैल्यू 20 डिग्री. ठीक है, अब आप सोच रहे होंगे सर एक कैलकुलेशन ही तो है, कर लेते. मेरे भाई ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत सारे इक्वेशंस होते हैं जिसमें इन एंगल्स को यूज किया जाता है. सो वी नीड टू हैव अ वैल्यू, earlier we need to have a value which will be easy to use. okay, so this is the significance of pressure angle in the design of gears. If you want to understand more about it, then you need to watch my complete lectures of machine design, and they are completely free of cost. You don't have to pay even a single rupee. So if you want free lectures of engineering mechanics, strength of materials, machine design, theory of machines, vibration, then just open this one link, tinyurl.com/approved10. You are going to get free lectures. You are also going to get the PDF notes of those lectures. आपको free के lectures भी मिल जाएंगे और सारे PDF के notes भी मिल जाएंगे by opening this one link. How to open this link? Just go to any web browser, कोई भी एक web browser खोल लो and type this tinyurl.com/approved10, enter, and you will open this awesome page where you will find ebooks, and you will also find these Excel sheets. In these Excel sheets you will find the links of my classes, you will also find the links of the PDF. And if you want to watch my live lectures free of cost, अगर आप मेरे live lecture देखना चाहते हैं free of cost, then just follow this Telegram channel. Open your Telegram app, search Approved10, follow this Telegram channel. You are going to get the links and notifications of all my upcoming live lectures, that too completely free. ये live lectures भी free हैं, तो अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं तो बस आप ये Telegram channel follow कर लें. okay, and if you want to study with us in a structured course, अगर हमारे साथ एक structured course में पढ़ना है, then take Unacademy Plus subscription. If you just need broadcasted content, then you will get everything for free on YouTube. Broadcasted content का मतलब है you only need video lectures where you can't interact with teacher. Broadcasted lectures में आप teacher के साथ interact नहीं कर सकते, आप बस lectures सुन सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं. So if you just want broadcasted lectures, then you will get everything for free on YouTube, live as well as recorded. Okay? तो आपको इसके लिए तो 1 रुपए भी पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But if you want to ask your doubts, if you want to get assignments, if you want to check assignments, if you want to interact with teacher, if you want to interact with other students, if you want to have question series, quizzes, then you need to take Unacademy Plus subscription. There will be doubt clearing sessions, there will be personal guidance, a lot of things. So you will feel like a classroom, you are sitting in a classroom. So if you want that live classroom environment where you can interact with teacher and ask all your doubts, questions, assignments, then you take Unacademy Plus subscription. Now, Unacademy Plus subscription is really affordable. This is 1 year, 1.5 year and 2 year subscription fee. You can use this code in order to get 10% off. And if you use this code, you are going to get my personal guidance. So if you want my personal guidance, then take Unacademy Plus subscription using the code APPROVED10. You can pay this fee in EMI also, and it is really convenient. You can see this. This is 39,600, 2 year. So per day you have to pay only 54 rupees, which is even less than the transportation cost. Okay. You can also take Unacademy Iconic subscription for 1 year or 2 year. Iconic subscription may you get a personal coach who will prepare all the study material for you, who will make your study schedule, who will analyze your test scores, means he will be there for you on a personal basis. Okay. So if you want a personal coach, take Unacademy Iconic subscription using the same code for 1 year or 2 year. If you want to know more about Unacademy, if you want to discuss your preparation plan, strategy, if you need any kind of guidance, then you can always contact me. You can message me on Unacademy also. Now before leaving, don't forget to hit the like button, share the link and subscribe to this channel. I will keep coming with such videos. If you have any suggestion, you can write it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.